Can y'all do me a favor and please stay out of the street, okay? I don't care that y'all are doing what y'all are doing, all right? Just let traffic go by, okay? Right. This is like the 10th time we've been out here today. Y'all got to clear out of the street, okay? I don't care that y'all are having fun, all right? You just got to clear out of the street.
We got to get out of the street.
Yes, I don't care that y'all are having fun, all right? But this is the 10th time. This is the 10th time that we've been out here today, okay? I can't keep coming out here. I know it's fun, okay? Y'all are having fun, all right? Just clear out of the middle of the street. Let traffic get by. Look, y'all got to stay out of the street, okay? This is like the 10th time we've been out here today. Y'all got to stay out of the street, all right? I don't want to be back. So y'all just do me a favor, stay out of the street, okay? I don't care that y'all are doing what y'all are doing, all right? Just let traffic through, okay? No.
I'm just gonna say, boy, you lucky.
I mean, I expected it. After I read the call sheet, I was like, whatever.
You want
Hey, y'all just stay out of the street, okay? Let traffic through. I don't care what y'all...
Hold on. I want you to go get LPD, task force. Tell them to come through. Tell them we ready.
The task force? Oh, okay. Look, I don't care that y'all are having fun, okay? Just stay out of the street, all right? Let traffic through, okay?
What happened?
There's too many people in the street and traffic can't get through. This is like the 10th time we've been out here. Yeah, I don't care that y'all are having fun, all right? Just stay out of the street, okay? Yeah. Hey, I just said to stay out of the damn street. Get out of the street.
All right.
Motherfucker. Thanks. Hey, I was looking for that. Thanks. No, I'm good. Tried to tell him nicely to get out of the street, so now people are going to go to jail. Yeah, they splashed me with water.
That against the law for them to flash you with water?
Huh?
Is that against the law?
I mean, nobody's supposed to touch me. Nobody's supposed to hit me with nothing. You know, I try to tell people nicely to get out of the street, and then Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go home and change.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. My radio died because it got wet.
What happened?
Tried to walk through nicely because everybody was in the street, and I was like, hey, I don't care that y'all are having fun, clear out. Let traffic by, clear out. And then I turned back around because I walked all the way down there, like the end of the block, and was like, hey, y'all just need to let traffic by. I don't care that y'all are having fun, just let traffic by. And then they started dousing me with water.
Where's Van at?
He's down there in his car. I couldn't get my car through, so I was like, hey, like, just chill, everybody get out of the fucking street. Did my radio pipe up or something?
No.
Oh, okay, well, I think it's dead, so.